guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you a double unboxing from Tory Burch. So I have two different bags to, I guess, unbox, unveil, reveal with you guys. I'm very excited about. This one is actually from the outlet in Denver. I believe it's in Thornton, Colorado. And this is from the outlet, and then this one was just from the mall. So I think I will start with, let's start with the Nordstrom bag, because these ones you don't see very often and these ones you do. So these were regular price, of course, and I got, this is the box. So you can obviously tell that it is definitely a pair of shoes. I have wanted these for a really long time, like long time. And I don't know, I just never purchased them. And when I saw them in person, I tried them on and I was in love, and I just said, YOLO, let's just go ahead and get them. So they did come with a really nice dust bag, which is cool. This is my second Tory Burch purchase. The first purchase that I made was the mini Tory Burch Mini Miller sandals, and they're like the jelly ones. They were so uncomfortable, so uncomfortable. I ended up selling those, and I'm glad I did. I even run into them now, and they're beautiful, but they're not comfortable. They're just like the Valentino, you know, rock stud shoes. All right, so I got, let me get them out of all this packaging. I got the Miller sandals. I am obsessed with these. These are so beautiful. So beautiful. They are the patent leather. They do have the regular leather ones. And I don't know, I just feel like these are just so beautiful. I just had to go with these. I will definitely try them on for you. They have little gold studs, which is perfect because I'm always wearing black with gold. And I will show them to you up close. They are just really beautiful. I love these, and I've wanted them for such a long time. There we go. And I did get my normal size, which is an 8. I got a US 8. And yeah, I am just obsessed with these. They are so beautiful. So I will now model them on my feet. I have been dying to wear these, so I'm so glad that I'm now showing you guys what they look like on the feet. They are just so beautiful. I absolutely love them, and I'm so glad that I finally have them. Like I said, I wear a size 8. Okay, so I always have people ask me prices. So the Millers, I think they have always been this price, but they retail for $198. And unfortunately, they weren't on sale, and they're such a hot, you know, shoe that everyone likes to purchase. So I honestly don't think that they ever really go on sale. I have seen like orange ones and stuff like that, like on Nordstrom.com and stuff on sale for like $137 and around there. But the black ones I never see on sale. But I am just so glad that I finally got. All right, guys, next up is my little purchase that I made at the outlet. You got this beautiful bag, beautiful packaging, and I got another pair of shoes. I know. I actually went to the outlet first before I went to Nordstrom. So I saw these first, and they were cheaper than those, so I figured you get kind of the same look for not that much cheaper, but cheaper. So I decided to go with these, and then I went to Nordstrom, and I was like, oh, we'll just get the Millers. So these I am just totally obsessed with. they are totally my kind of shoe. If you know me, you know that I love sandals, like all year long. It could be snowing outside and I will still wear my sandals. Like, I love wearing sandals. So I have a thing for sandals that have like the little ankle thing in the back, like the little strap. And when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh. So not only are they the patent shiny leather that I just told you I am totally obsessed with, but they have a gold Tory Burch logo, which I absolutely love. That is just so, so, so stunning. I love these so much, and I tried them on, and since we were at the outlet, like, I don't know what I was expecting them to be. I don't know. I expected them to be a little cheaper, but I guess they were like a good price. I don't know how much off. I believe it was 40% off, but I'll tell you how much I paid for these, and excuse me, and what they're called, because I do not know what they're called. So it looks like in this shoe, I got a 7.5, and that's kind of weird because I wear an 8, but I tried these on. So, well, they spelt my name totally wrong. Totally wrong. It looks awful. Okay, so it was a 40% off store-wide, and it is the Claire Flat Thong. They retail for $228, and I got them on sale for $136.80. So that, with the 40% off, you got $91.20 off, which is pretty good. But they, with tax and everything, they came out to $149.15. So it's like $100 off. I guess that's okay. But it was still like, you know, like, I'm not used to buying Tory Burch, so I don't know. Like, and with sandals, I always get like the $16, $17 ones that they sell at Target that have this little ankle thing. Like, I know you guys know what they look like because they sell them in every color, and I get like all of them every single year. They're my absolute favorite. Like, in all of my pictures, I'm always wearing them. But anyways, I am just so in love with these. Like, they're so stunning. I cannot even handle it. They're so beautiful. So this is what they look like up close. I love that they have a thicker strap here. And then of course they have that right there. And all of this is that beautiful gold hardware. If it was silver hardware, I wouldn't have got them, just because I always wear gold. But look at that patent leather with the gold. It is stunning. So I will show you now what they look like on my feet. Okay, so this is what they look like on the feet. Of course, don't look at my feet because I definitely need a pedi. But yes, I got a 7.5. I think I would have been perfect with an 8. I honestly don't know why I didn't get an 8, because that is what I wear. So this is my outfit of the day, and I didn't even plan this, but look at how cute they look. They are just so cute. I love them. Sorry for my super dirty mirror. This is my new Gucci Marmont that I have wanted since it came out, and I finally got it, and I absolutely love it. But I just am totally digging my outfit, even though the jean jacket and the jeans are totally off. But I love these shoes. Just absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, are y'all just so in love with those shoes? I forgot how beautiful they were until I got them back out. Another thing that I even love about the outlet is look at how good they were packaged. Like, they didn't come with a dust bag, I don't think, which is fine. I'd rather have a dust bag, but it's totally okay, like my other ones did. But look, like, they're packaged just like the normal ones that you'll get for a regular price. So I definitely appreciate little things like that. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I had to share them with you guys. If you have the Miller sandals, definitely let me know. If you have these Claire sandals, let me know as well. I had never, ever, ever, ever seen anybody with them. Like bloggers or anything, like just people on the street, like I've never seen them. So when I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, those are the cutest. Like I had to try those on and I love them. I can't remember if they had any more colors. I will probably look online. I love them that much. If they have like a nude color, I would love a nude, or like a camel brown, I would love, but I just love them. So if you guys love these as much as I do, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have any questions or would like to tell me if you have these shoes. I would love to know. I love talking to you guys. I love chatting with you guys. Like I get so excited whenever I see comments from you guys. I know I'm weird. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will definitely see you guys very soon in another video. Mwah.